Oh, hi everybody and welcome back. This is just a sort of a quick update. You saw the yin yang beans going in. That was only a few days ago, and look at them now. They're up and they're flying away. Also the other seeds I've been put in, the kohlrabi, the broccoli, the cabbage and the Brussels sprouts. Look at them. Got to go out because they're leaning towards the window a little bit. Nothing showing at all on any of the flowers, which is a bit strange, not one. And you come back a little bit, we got some more cucumbers growing, another row of cucumbers. Chilies are a little bit slow. Chinese cabbage are doing well, and we got a celery out of that row, but they are a bit, it's very dry actually. I think I'll give them a nice big water later on. But so they're doing really well, and we'll just pop into the little mini greenhouse thing and just show you what's going on here. And as you can see, usual sort of thing. Cucumbers are doing really well. The original leaves are starting to die off now, and you're getting the proper leaves coming. These are my squashes which I grew down in the allotment last year. They're growing well. I've just watered them so they fell over a little bit. The kale's doing okay, it's getting its true leaf. Dahlias cuttings are still doing well. And here we got our Brussels sprouts and our broccoli and some more cauliflowers. And these are all of our courgettes. Now look at those little beauties there, eh? And our Turk's turbans and all that sort of stuff. Peppers are still growing well. As they should be, they're shop bought ones. And our tomatoes are doing like crazy. Not quite reached the roof yet, but they're doing well. And to show you the root system there on the old runner bean. Should really be in the ground really, but it's a little bit early for that. And what over there, the old lettuce isn't doing anything at all. But if you do remember a couple of videos back, there was a giant pumpkin called Wally's Whopper, 4 seeds in the packet, and one of them's actually decided to come up, so that's doing okay. That's just really good. The courgettes, companion plant in there, still doing well, as is the sweet corn. So that's doing really well, that particular sweet corn. I've still got to take some more cuttings off of the dahlia, and the tea plant actually seems to have a bit of new growth on it, so, and I haven't done anything to it but left it in here and kept watering it. Sweet peas are doing really well. Haven't built the frame for them to go down the allotment yet, but they're doing really well. More courgettes, more shallots, more leeks, so that's doing well. More white onions, as you can see. Got some more dahlias down there. Excuse me. And that's the cut and come again salad. Not too impressed with that still. Well, there we go. So more onions down there, and a later crop of sweet corn down there. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.